Alright, so we're going in the farm with our guardian dogs right here. Trying to take a walk in the evening to see how the animals are doing. See how the guardian dogs are leading us. They always go first to make sure that we are safe. They always lead us because we have our kids with us. So
and also,
yeah, my son don't like the YouTube. So.
Okay, stop it. I am making a YouTube channel. I'm just not showing my face on it.
All right,
so,
well.
Ezra,
okay, you don't have to show your face. It's okay.
Soon it's gonna come out.
All right.
Everybody listen. Soon.
All right.
YouTube channel is gonna come up called Ezra Life.
So that's how the door looks like. There's a door, so I got this big old gap here. I need to put the wire. I'm gonna take the wire from here and put it here. I didn't attach the wire. I don't want to remove this thing. So that's the reason I'm doing that. You see the peacock sleeping? They're sleeping on top of the tree.
If you're a person who likes the opposite of nature, video games, then go to my channel. Go to my channel.
The kids are funny.
Games.
Go to
our video channel. Yeah.
You see how big the tree is? Like 200 feet.
Coming out.
About more than 200 feet tall, and the peacocks are all the way up. All the way up, sleeping, or trying to trying to spend the night there. That's what they sleep, to keep away from anything. It's a natural instinct to sleep on those trees. That's how it is. See.